The other three types of feedback can be really effective depending on the situation. For example, feedback about the process can prompt students to think harder and deeper about what they're doing and think about what would they do differently next time. Whereas feedback on self-regulation can be really effective, especially for novice learners, when they need that feedback to learn how do they best manage themselves, especially when doing a new or complex task. And finally, perhaps maybe more on a surface level, feedback on the task at hand can still be really important, especially if students have misunderstood the requirements of the task and what's expected of them.
So what's the key message? Try to avoid giving feedback about the pupil themselves. Try to focus on the task, the process, and try to give feedback that actually supports self-regulation, so they know what to do the next time round.
As you can see, we think online teacher CPD should be
research-based,
practical,
value for money,
really fun to do.
and if this sounds exactly what you want for your staff, then go to the InnerDrive Online Academy now.